Alam mo ba na pag bumili ka ngayon ng RG peripherals like mouse, keyboard, or headset, ay pwede ka makakuha ng free limited edition RG Pocket Gear blind box gaya nito. And kung isa ka sa maswerteng makakakuha ng RG Mouse Plushie, you will win a real RG Harp Ace Extreme. That is the carbon fiber variant ng RG Harp Ace, guys. So panalo talaga. Ang nakuha ko is yung headset plushie, which is cute na din. Aside from this and the mouse plushie, meron din keyboard and Omni. Now, kung di mo man makuha yung RG Mouse Plushie, you still have a chance to win an RG Windbreaker jacket. Mag-post ka lang ng unboxing video online and follow the steps sa link na ilalagay ko sa baba. Now, isa sa mga recommended ko na RG peripherals ngayon is itong RG Harp Mini Core. I've been using the RG Harp AC Mini for a while now, which virtually shares the same shape. Mas mabigat nga lang itong RG Harp Mini Core and wired. Pero syempre, mas mura din and magandang alternative if naghahanap ka ng mas maliit na gaming mouse. Kasi nasa 2,190 pesos lang ito, so abot kaya talaga. Maganda din ang build quality with nice and smooth matte texture, crispy primary buttons using the RG Micro Switch 2, and push fits na rin ang mga sockets nito. So pwede ka magpalit ng switch kung gusto mo. Meron din siyang LED lighting and up to 1000 Hz polling rate and a very flexible paracord cable. Ideal for casual and budget gamers. And yes, supported din siya ng web-based gearlink software, so mas accessible mag-change ng settings. So ayun, consider nyo ito kung gusto nyo sumali sa RG Pocket Gear Blind Box promo. Follow for more videos like this and thank you for watching.